There's something deeply personal, intimate, even magical about a nickname. When used right, it's not just a name, it's a secret language between two people. And gentlemen, if you're looking to make her melt, smile, or feel instantly connected to you, then you need to understand this. Certain nicknames hit differently. Today on Love and Lust Lessons, we're diving into the sweetest nicknames women secretly adore, the ones they can't resist. So stay with me, because saying the right word at the right time might just make her fall for you all over again. Part 1. Why nicknames are more than just cute words. Before we start listing names, let's understand why nicknames work like magic. Psychology says pet names foster emotional intimacy and trust. They reduce tension. They create a private bond. They even act as emotional triggers, reminding her of love, safety, and joy. So when a man uses a sweet nickname with authenticity, humor, or tenderness, it becomes unforgettable. Now, let's reveal the nicknames she won't tell you she loves. But trust me, she'll remember you every time you say them. 1. Lovebug. Soft, silly, and completely disarming. Lovebug makes her feel adored in a playful way. It reminds her that love isn't always serious. It can be light, spontaneous, and adorably infectious. When to use it? When she's giggling, being affectionate, or texting you those cute emojis. Psychological effect. It lowers her guard, makes her feel safe and flirtatious at the same time. 2. My Queen. There's a reason this one is rising in popularity. It hits different. It's empowering and respectful, and yet emotionally intimate. By calling her my queen, you're acknowledging her strength and grace. You're telling her she holds value, and she's irreplaceable. Bonus tip, make eye contact when you say it. Women love when the compliment feels sincere, not forced. 3. Boo or Boo Bear. This one might sound simple, but it's got history. Boo is a shortened version of beau, meaning lover. And Boo Bear is an evolution that adds tenderness and warmth. It's baby talk meets real emotion. Don't knock it until you've tried it. Good morning, Boo Bear. That line alone will stick in her head all day. 4. Sunshine. Call her this when she brightens your mood. Sunshine makes her feel like she's your source of happiness, warmth, and light, even on bad days. Perfect for long-distance texts or when she's been your emotional support. Tell her, you're my sunshine when everything feels gray. She may blush, she may smile, but she'll definitely remember it. 5. Dollface. Old school? Maybe. But timeless? Absolutely. Dollface sounds vintage, like something from a classic film noir. It's flirtatious but sweet, and women secretly love nicknames that make them feel beautiful and adored. Say it with a smirk or playful tone. It gives her that classic beauty vibe. And remember, delivery is everything. 6. Baby cakes. Funny, sweet, unexpected. This one is perfect if you want to be affectionate without sounding too serious. It can make her laugh, and laughter is one of the fastest ways to someone's heart. Best used when you're in a teasing or cuddling mood. It's like saying, I adore you, without actually saying it. 7. Honey or Honeybee. These names are sticky sweet and timeless. Honey has been around for ages because it just feels right. It's warm, familiar, and filled with emotional nostalgia. Honeybee, on the other hand, feels more unique and suggests she's your hard-working little sweetheart. Bonus? You can text, hey honey honeybee, and instantly charm her. 8. Angel. Calling a woman angel does something special. It paints her as soft, loving, kind-hearted, and above all, cherished. This is the nickname that makes women feel protected and praised at the same time. Use it when she's done something thoughtful, or when she looks so peaceful in your arms, and you whisper, you're my angel. Chills. Guaranteed. Nah, kitten. Edgy and sexy, but still cute. Kitten is one of those flirty nicknames that carries a little spark. It suggests playfulness, seduction, and a hint of mischief. Best used during private moments, or when texting her something bold. Example, what are you up to, kitten? She'll bite her lip. Trust me. 10. Sweetheart. This is the classic charmer. It never goes out of style. Sweetheart is heartfelt, tender, and endearing. Perfect for everyday use when you want to show appreciation and emotional closeness. Pro tip: combine it with small gestures. Thanks for helping me today, sweetheart. It adds a softness that most men forget. Bonus section: 3 psychological triggers that make nicknames work. If you want to use nicknames with maximum impact, follow these principles. 1. Consistency matters. If you call her sunshine today and babe tomorrow, and then never again, she'll feel confused. Use a nickname often enough to make it part of your shared love language. 2. Tailor it to her personality. If she's classy and confident, try Queen. If she's playful and loves to cuddle, try Love Bug or Baby Cakes. If she has that fiery, teasing edge, Kitten is your winner. The best nickname is one that feels natural to her vibe. 3. Deliver it with feeling. Don't just say the words, say them with presence. Look her in the eye, add a little smirk, touch her hand, let your tone match the energy. Nicknames aren't just sounds, they're emotional cues. They build memories, they build connection. Words are powerful, gentlemen, and sometimes it's not the expensive gift or the perfect date that makes her heart skip a beat. It's the soft, good morning baby cakes, the teasing, where you up to kitten, the heartfelt thank you, sweetheart. Say it and say it often, because the right nickname can be more seductive than any pickup line. If you found these nicknames helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more psychology-based love tips here on Love and Lust Lessons. Drop your favorite nickname in the comments below, or tell us which one made her melt the most. Until next time, keep it sweet, seductive, and unforgettable.